Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on your Steam account. So let's get started right away. Now, if you have forgotten your password within your Steam account, then in order to reset this, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in store.steampowered.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Steam website. Click on the login button at the top right corner and now you will be taken into the login portal. From here, click on Help, I cannot sign in. Then click on I forgot my Steam account name or password. You will now be asked to enter your email address or your phone number that is associated with your account. Just type it in and then click on the verification captcha box. After passing the test, click on the search button and now you can choose to receive a verification code within this email. After clicking on this option, you will be asked to check your inbox. So check your inbox and you will find the resume recovery option. Click on this link and now click on reset my password. You will now be allowed to type in your desired new password for your account. Type in your desired password and then type it in once again for confirmation. Then click on the change password button and now your password has successfully been reset within your account. You can now proceed with logging in using your newly set email address and your password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on your Steam account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.